Hello guys! So dito yan ang gagaling yung dragon fruit na kinuha ko kahapon at saka kinain ko. So Tagalog muna tayo ngayon na may halong English. So as you can see, we have here another fruit. The first one is the one I showed you yesterday, and the second one is right now we're going to pick this one or harvest it and try it if it tastes better than the last time. So here is it now. As you can see, it's just too small, but it tastes really good. Hello there again guys. I hope you liked the video I posted yesterday. So it's all about the first fruit of our dragon fruit. And this time, or this video, we're going to have a fruit mukbang. Okay, magmumukbang tayo ng prutas. So we usually like to eat different fruits. Let's say fruits that's available in the market. So we have a bunch of grapes and then ripe papaya and then yung hinarvest lang natin kanina na dragon fruit. And for today's video, sasamahan ako ng pamangkin ko. So he's really good in eating. He likes different food. So welcome, Matt!
Hello.
Hi! So sasamahan niya ako kumain ng prutas. And kahit anong pagkain, gusto-gusto niyang kainin. So tip lang, we don't really know if these fruits are really sweet, but there are some tips that we get from our elders. For papaya, much better daw na elongated yung shape niya kasi mas matamis daw yun. At saka mas malaman. Yun yung sabi nila. So that's what I know. So every time na bibili ako ng papaya sa tindahan, sa palengke, yung pinipili namin yung elongated yung shape niya. And for grapes naman, kung bibili ka nito, syempre, yung tindera, sasabihan ka naman na tikman mo muna yung isang piraso. Kung matamis siya, edi bibili ka. Pag hindi, okay lang din naman. Pero ito yung nabili namin, matamis talaga siya. And doon kami talaga bumibili sa suki namin na nagtitinda. Kaya alam namin na matamis siya at saka masarap. So we have a lot for today. This is only cost around 60 pesos. So 60 pesos may ganito ka na. May enjoy mo na siya. At ito naman si papaya. Maganda siya kasi para siyang seedless. Kung titignan nyo, halos maliit lang na buto yung kumakapit. Tsaka konting scrape lang, okay na siya. Kain tayo. So let's see what's inside. I'll just going to use a small knife to open it. There's only some few tips I get from the internet. If the dragon fruit is fully ripe, or if it's ripe already, they say it's easier to twist this end. It's easier to twist, and then the top part of it, it's like it's opening. I'm not really sure. I just rely on the information I get from the internet. So let's see if this one tastes bitter, but you know, it's easier to cut into two. And there's no really hard things that you can do on it. It's still the same with what I did yesterday. And you know, it's really juicy inside. Look at that. It's really juicy. Others just peel this off, but what we usually do is just we cut it into half. Just be careful using the knife. You might cut your finger. So it's better if the adult will do this thing. And let's share the tinted color of the fruit's juice. It's really sticking on your skin. And let's try a little bit. Okay. First try. It has the same sweetness as what I've tasted yesterday. It has a little bit bland taste and a little bit of sweetness. So it means each fruit has the same taste. But I think it depends on the land as well, where you planted it, or variations of dragon fruit. Or maybe you can pick the one that you really like. There's white one and there's also a pink one. But there's also a picture of pink one in the outer layer with a white one in the inner layer of this fruit. So different variations. I hope you like our video, so don't forget to like and share our video. And on the next one, we're going to show you again different fruits, or you can type in below what you like or what video would you like us to upload. See you again next time. Bye bye.